Alright, welcome to a new video. I got this from my girlfriend as a teardown project. She said I could do what the hell I want with it if I want to take it apart or whatever, so I'm going to, because why not? Cute little speaker. Today I don't plan to post much more, obviously. This is just a scramble for content at this point. And I gotta do I got a bunch to do today anyway. I gotta find a tablet. I have two of them, but I don't know where the H word I put them, or F word, whatever the heck. But, I have those somewhere. I need to find those before the day's fully out. Like, I think before 5, because my cousin's birthday is today, and I wanted to surprise her with that tablet, but the tablet needs to get charged 30% to factory reset, but I don't know where the hell I put it. So, instead of actually doing the right thing and looking for it, like all the cool guys and dumb guys, I'm just gonna pull apart stuff, because why not? So, yeah. Start simple and do the handle. Is the screw supposed to come out? Is there an end to this screw, or is it just spinning the hole? I think it's just spinning the hole. That's great. I'm sure it's supposed to do that. No way, there we go. Oh, Jesus Christ, they're just that long. I guess we're gonna do these front ones. How come I could see that making, like, it's already dented. If I can get... Okay, these screws are just very special. Basically, it's designed so you don't know when the screws are out because it's constant feeling. Heck yeah, it's only a 5 water, but it looks nice. 5.7 volt, 1200 milliamp hour battery. Let's get that out. Savor that. Something. Oh yeah, and as you can see, I did give up my clock. My girlfriend asked if I had a clock, and she said it wasn't important, that she could just go to Five Below and get one, but I wound up doing some resurfacing on that because the drives used to stick on it, and it was because melted belt was in it that I never... Most of it perished. It was actually impressive. General Electric did good with biodegrading, I guess. But there was still some. Cone. But cool. And I have a speaker that's similar to it. I forgot where the hell I put it, though. Oh, wait. I think it... Yeah, it's right down there. Oh, yeah. Probably reuse it for something. Speakers get quite expensive anyway, so I might as well save as much money as I can. That LED. I don't expect to get anything out of this circuit board, but you never know if there's a capacitor or something I could use. And so far so good of that TCWR 545 cassette deck. It hasn't actually failed me once yet, and I've been giving it hell actually for a bit, and it's been doing the right thing. That's great. There we go. Fine. Didn't even get any permanent damage to the board. Alright. I was hoping for a capacitor, but it's actually a very, very basic board. But still a salvage. I can get these buttons off, which would be nice. The microphone jack I'd like. Use that switch trim on a future project. Maybe, oh yeah, headphone jack, I might want that. I'm getting some projects with bad headphone jacks recently. So I'll be stripping that down eventually. I'll keep the mesh, I might be able to straighten that out and do something out of it. Guess that's all for this video. Quick and simple, but hopefully good to you viewers. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Bye.